Featherlite Trailers is an all-aluminum trailer manufacturer located in Cresco, Iowa. It is the oldest all-aluminum trailer brand in the United States and today manufactures horse trailers and a range of specialty trailers. History: the company was established in 1973 in Oklahoma when it built the first all-aluminum gooseneck livestock trailer. In 1988, the company was acquired by Featherlite Manufacturing of Grand Meadow, Minnesota, relocating to Cresco, Iowa in 1993. The company created the first-ever custom aluminum race car semi-trailer for NASCAR racer Dale Earnhardt and team owner Richard Childress. Today, Featherlite is the official trailer of NASCAR, supplying 85% of the NASCAR Sprint Cup teams. In 2006, the company became a wholly owned subsidiary of Universal Trailer Corporation. Products: Featherlite manufactures a range of all-aluminum trailers, mainly using aluminum alloys. Types of trailers include horse trailers, livestock trailers, living quarters trailers, car trailers and utility trailers. Featherlite Specialty Trailers division manufactures custom trailers for professional sports teams, medical businesses, the aerospace industry, government services, the U.S. military and many others. Sponsorships: American Quarter Horse Association, Appaloosa Horse Club, National Western Stock Show, NASCAR, ARCA. References: external links. Official website.